Fix Instagram error. Sorry, we couldn't update your profile picture. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So if you are facing problem while updating your profile picture that you couldn't do that, then this video might be helpful for you. So the reason for having this problem might be various. The first thing is you might be connected to a weak internet. For that, you have to make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using cellular data, then make sure your cellular data is also strong. Once you are sure about that, you will be able to fix your problem. You just can go and upload your profile picture and you'll be able to fix your problem, or you'll be easily able to update your profile picture. But if you are still unable to do that, then there is only another way. The thing is, you have to go back and you have to open up to apps, and you can go through your device setting, or you can also press and hold on Instagram and go for app info. On the app info, simply go for storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache. By doing that, you will be able to refresh your Instagram application, and you can once again go back and check. You will be able to fix your problem, and with these two fixes you will be able to solve your problem for sure. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.